what makes this business legitimate? For anyone out there who wants to invest in a business, legitimacy is something that you need to find out. If the business that you're interested to invest to is legit, it is very important because it is basically where is the foundation of your business. Anything that is not legitimate, you will not be able to legally collect payment, and you will not be able to legally collect deductions of your business. So our business is legitimate because number one, it is tax registered. It is taxable income that we can also legitimately claim our business expenses. Second is that our business is legitimate as our affiliate contractors are registered internationally, and we have 46 stores internationally worldwide. So we have an office that you can see, and we have real people that you can meet as well. We are legitimate business, as you can see. We are in our weekly almost every other day live stream, and we come out with my business partners to show to you that we are real people. We answer questions right on real time. So if you are doubtful and wanting to know what is legitimate business means, check with us, connect with us, and let us chat so that you can establish how legitimate are we and how real people are we. We are also certified business professionals. We study, we meet our requirements, and we are verifiable in most of our social media platforms. So we submit government ID in order for us to build our business. We submit government ID in order to prove our identity that we are real people. So when you sign in with us and when you buy partnership with us, we're going to ask you to provide a government ID so that we can register you in your government, wherever country you are doing a business. We will ask you a government provided ID that we will have to register for you to use it in any government or any countries that you are going to start this business. We also have requirements of as well that you need to complete courses in order to be a partner in our business, and in order for you also to qualify as a mentor and become a coach in the future, and also become an online digital business. Our business is legitimate. We will ask you to provide a government ID that is issued by your government in the country where you want to register your business. So we, at the end of the year, as we are registered, we will also provide you a form that you will submit in your tax centers for you to register your income that you are earning. So our business is also legitimate because we have 46 offices worldwide that you can see physically to see our office. We are registered in 26 countries as a legitimate business. So when you are registered and we are licensed, we have this legitimacy to conduct business transactions internationally. So if you have doubts at all, connect with us and we can talk one-on-one. You can see me in my messenger as we can talk virtually, and you can also meet me. If we live nearby, we can meet each other as well. There are so many business partners here locally in my town where I work, and meet all my people that is working in our business partnership. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com and let us help you establish to you and prove to you that our business is legitimate. This business is something that you need to know, because you will find out how different are we from other competitors and how legitimate are we from other competitors. Another advantage of partnering with us is that we are registered and we are patented. We have a patented compensation plan so that we can pay you high commission income. So that is our proof to you that we are registered. We are also certified in our products, that we have top products that is in demand in market. So all those things, guys, it will take a while for you to get to know who we are, and it also will take a while for you to know who are you going to partner with and how legitimate are we. So start now, connect with us, get to know us, because we may need some time to get to know each other. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com.